Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we have a special perfume from Ensar Oud. These are natural perfumes. It is from Ensar Oud Platinum series, Layers of Jade. So let's find out how these layers of jade are and how addictive or how attractive these are. Okay, so it is almost kind of empty vial, but I think this would be enough for me to judge the scent profile. It definitely have a lot of vetiver, but some florals are there which I am not sure which floral is there, but it is a very nice, very airy, very cool kind of blend. There is some musk, maybe musky note that it has, maybe some Hindi oud oil, very little, some floral or some tangerine or some something citrus note is there. Not very super amazing, but it could be a very good summer scent. Yes, vetiver is there, oud, maybe some oud is there. Mostly it's vetiver and some musk and maybe some floral. So these are the three prominent notes I can get. I am not sure because these Ensar Oud and others, they are master blenders. I'm not sure what ingredients they have and how they actually mix them. It has some light fruity kind of vibe to it when I move my hand over here and there. Yes, there is some fruitiness that is coming out, but that is all. I think fruitiness, vetiver, some floral, maybe some very little oud oil and musk. These are the 5 ingredients I think I might be wrong, but these are the things I think over here. But that citrus is very, very good. It is not like your regular citronella or some kind of oil. It is very different. It is maybe something floral that is citrus and has some orange or tangy kind of vibe, but it is now making a very different touch to it. Nice perfume, okay. So first I didn't like it, but now it is a bit in dry down and middle notes, it is getting better. So this is my review about Layers of Jade from Ensar Oud. I hope my review might inspire you or maybe get you into this natural perfumery and oud oils and all that Middle Eastern attars and perfume oils. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, I'm going to go now. This is going to be my last review from all these 15 or 16 samples. I'm tired, I'm thirsty now, and I have to maybe wash my hands because I have used all areas of my hand to test all these perfumes and other oils. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video because a lot of my viewers, they are not subscribers. Please subscribe because it gives me motivation that I can make more videos similar to this one. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.